Ever wondered if websites can track you even after you delete your browser cookies? The answer is yes. And one of the ways they do it is through something called browser fingerprinting. So what is a browser fingerprint? Every time you visit a website, your browser shares info about your device. This can include your operating system, browser version, screen size, language settings, time zone, installed fonts, even details about your graphics hardware. By combining this info, websites can create a unique profile of your device and you. Think of it like a digital fingerprint. So can websites really track you without cookies? Absolutely. Unlike cookies, fingerprints aren't stored on your device. That means deleting cookies won't remove your fingerprint. If your setup's unique enough, websites may be able to recognize you when you return. So what browser score means you're trackable? Many fingerprint testing websites will tell you how unique your browser appears. In general, the more unique your browser is, the easier it is to track. If your setup stands out from most users, websites can identify you more easily. The goal isn't to be invisible, it's to look similar to thousands or even millions of other users. So does Brave protect against fingerprinting? Yes. Brave includes built-in fingerprinting protections. Instead of simply blocking tracking attempts, Brave often makes browser information look less unique or introduces randomness to make identification more difficult. While it's not perfect, it can significantly reduce tracking. What about Firefox's privacy.resist fingerprinting setting? This is one of the strongest anti-fingerprint features available today. It works by making many browser settings look like the same across users. This helps reduce uniqueness and makes tracking harder. The downside is that some websites may not work perfectly or may display slightly differently. And finally, do VPNs protect against fingerprinting? May surprise you, not really. A VPN hides your IP address and helps protect your location and internet traffic, but it doesn't change most of the info that websites use to create a fingerprint. So while a VPN is an important privacy tool, it won't stop fingerprinting by itself. For the best protection, use a privacy-focused browser, enable anti-fingerprint features, and combine them with a VPN for stronger overall privacy.